Welcome to Payrun. In this video, you'll learn how to manage employee leave from start to finish using the Payrun Leave Module. We'll walk through the leave calendar, leave records, and leave summary so you can confidently review requests, track employee leave, and stay on top of your team's availability. Let's get started. From the left navigation menu, open Leave. By default, you'll arrive on the leave calendar. The leave calendar gives you a complete visual overview of employee leave across your organization. Let's see how an employee leave request gets here. In the employee dashboard, an employee opens his leave and clicks Apply Leave. Provide all the necessary information, including start and end dates. Once everything is ready, employees submit their request for approval. Now, back in the leave calendar, the newly submitted request appears here automatically, ready to be reviewed alongside all other employee leave requests. Need more information? Simply click on any leave entry. A detailed panel opens, giving you everything you need to review the request. Here you can see the approval status, leave type, leave duration, and any additional note that's submitted. This makes it easy for managers to verify leave requests without leaving the calendar. Use the date controls at the top to move between different months. Quickly narrow the results by choosing the employee. Also, you can filter out by a particular type of leave, such as leave status, departments, leave type. Once the filters are applied, the calendar updates instantly, allowing you to focus only on the leave information that matters. To see the full summary and numbers, click here to toggle a summary bar that shows the summary of the calendar. Now, let's move to the leave records. This section provides a complete list of every leave request submitted by your employees. Each record displays key information including the employee's name, leave type, date and total duration, current approval status, notes, and documents. By clicking here, you can see the full log history regarding this leave. It also contains an action dropdown where you can edit the leave if needed, along with approve or reject it. The search and filtering options like date selection, sort by system, others like before, make it easy to locate specific employees or leave records whenever needed. Here also, you can toggle on the summary of the leave records. Finally, let's take a look at the leave summary. This page gives you a complete overview of all leave balances. For each employee, you can review allocated leave, leave already used, remaining balance, and available leave across every leave type. This makes it easy to monitor leave usage, ensure leave policies are followed, and answer employee leave balance questions without manually calculating anything. You can also apply filters to quickly find the information you're looking for. And that's the Payrun Leave Module. With a visual leave calendar, organized leave records, and real-time leave summaries, Payrun makes it simple to manage employee leave while giving managers complete visibility into their workforce. To explore Payrun's other modules, be sure to check out our tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.